Greetings. Hello. Welcome to week 2, module 2. I'm here to go over this week's expectations, hoping to provide clarity to your assignments. I'm going to go ahead and go into the module. And here I will give you an overview with the, move that over here, with the objectives and what assignments are due and additional topic resources if you'd like to take a look at that. And next you're going to read chapter 2, and it's all about today's teachers, and this video link is about a teacher who's actually working with a group of ELA students, ELL, English Language Learner students. And I just wanted you to take a look at that and just think about how she deals with cooperative learning and how she gets these students to use the English language. It's pretty impressive. Next, you'll have a quiz on chapter 2 and some of the information I put in the module. Then you have your discussion questions, and those will be done the way they are every week, and that is you post your initial post on Thursday and then you respond to 2 peers by Sunday. And then you're going to watch another video and add to your video journal doc, and this is Azul, and it's a video on what makes a good teacher. Next, your assignment is you are going to work in groups of 3, and you're going to choose a chapter. So if you click on this link right here, you will go ahead and decide what chapter you'd like to do, and the first 3 students will be in that chapter. Okay, now I have to figure out how to go back. There we go. All right. So here we were here, and this is just information that we have available at Santa Ana College with online library resources and what you need to do when you have images, because this presentation will be in a Google slide presentation, so you'll be able to work on the document at the same time, and you'll also want to use Zoom to have your first couple of meetings and decide what and who is going to do what.